long time ago, I found seniors playing the guitar very well. Seniors playing guitar and the girls surrounding him and smiling, so I'm determined to learn to play the guitar. I thought playing the guitar is hard. It took me much time to learn and have no time to meet girls. Thus, the guitar became my girlfriend. I participate in contests and performance with my guitar, traveling all around the world and living happily together.
I don't care, baby, by the way.